Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning, one and all. I am Harshita studying BTech CSC in SRIT College. My roll number is 244018056. I am going to explain about the communicate continuous alternative assignment. I am going to explain about the subject chemistry. Today my topic is about to explain the construction and working of H2O2 and CH3OH fuel cell. First we need to know what is the definition of fuel cell. A fuel cell is a device. It is a device that produces electricity through a chemical reaction between a source fuel and oxidant. It is a device that releases electricity, that releases power through a chemical reaction. When the chemical reaction occurred between a source fuel and oxidant. What is oxidant? Any substance that has the ability to oxidize other substances, or a molecule or atom capable of accepting electrons during a redox reaction is called oxidant. It produces the electricity through a chemical reaction between a source fuel and oxidant, or the cell which converts the chemical energy of a fuel cell into electricity energy combustion without combustion means the cell which converts the chemical energy of a fuel into electricity energy without combustion. First we need to know what is combustion. Rapid chemical combustion of a substance with oxygen involving the production of heat and light, means the process where a substance burns in the presence of oxygen, giving off heat and lighting in the process is called combustion. Giving absence of giving in the presence of light. H2O2 fuel cell. A hydrogen oxygen fuel cell comprises of two insert porous electrodes made of nickel or nickel oxide. Hydrogen fuel cell comprises of two insert porous electrodes are made by nickel or nickel oxide. These electrons are also coated with a catalyst such as platinum to speed up the electrode reactions. This reaction also coated with the catalyst such as platinum to speed up or to fast the electrode reactions. The porous electrodes allow reactant and produce product gases to pass through. Porous electrodes allow reactant and product gases to pass through. 2H2O plus voltage gives rise to 2H2O plus electrical energy. 2 hydrogens plus one and oxygen is gives rise to 2H2O. Two water molecule plus electrical energy produced. The electrodes are immersed in a solution of aqueous potassium hydroxide. In this process, the electrodes are immersed, means placed in a aqueous potassium hydroxide. We need to know what is CH3OH and O2 fuel cell. While providing current, while giving current, methanol is electrochemically oxidized at the anode position. While giving current, the methanol is electrochemically oxidized at the anode. First of all, we need to know what is oxidized. Chemically with oxygen. When coal is burnt, any sulfur is oxide to sulfur. The loss of electrons. Next, electrocatalysts to produce electrons that travel through the external circuit to the cathode. Electrocatalyst where they are consumed together with oxygen in reduction. Electrocatalysts to produce electrons. It produces electrons that travel through external circuit to the cathode electrolyst where they are consumed or absorbed together with in oxygen in reduction process. reduction reaction. The circuit maintained within the cell by the conduction of protons in the electrode. The circuit is maintained with the cell by the conduction of protons in the electrode. First, anode reaction, methanol oxide CH3OH plus H2O gives rise to CO2 plus 6 electrons plus 6 hydrogens, 6 hydrogens plus 6 electrons. When methanol is reacted with hydrogen, it produces carbon dioxide and 6 hydrogens and 6 electrons. Cathode reaction in this process, half O2 plus 2H plus 2 electrons gives rise to H2O. Half oxygens plus 2 hydrogens plus 2 electrons gives rise to water molecule. Conducting ion is equal, in this process conducting ion is H plus ion. Thank you.